School, our school's division superintendent, ably represented by Dr. Maybelline C. Bautista, our education program supervisor in charge of the Learning Resource Management section. Ma'am, I have the honor to present to you 684 students, candidates for completion, who has satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the Bureau of Education of the basic K-12 basic education curriculum of the Department of Education. Ma'am, for your confirmation and acceptance.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the school's division superintendent of the school's division office of Pangasinan 2, Dr. Vivian Luz Espadakatan, and upon the strong recommendation of your school head, Dr. Ferdinand P. Austria, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education, K-12 curriculum, basic education curriculum, junior high school. I, Dr. Maybelline Chan Bautista, Education Program Supervisor of the Schools Division Office of Pangasinan 2, hereby accept and confirm you completers of the junior high school level of the Don Ramon E. Costales Memorial National High School, effective today, April 14, 2025, with all the rights and privileges thereto